When we study traits and come across values like heritability is 0.90 or heritability is 0.20, we often jump to conclusions that may actually be wrong, especially if we don't clearly understand what heritability actually means. So in this video I will discuss 5 major misconceptions about heritability outlined by Oldenburg and Van der Weyck. By the end of this video you will clearly understand what heritability means and what it does not mean. Let's start with first misconception. A heritability of 40% means 40% of trait comes from genes. Not exactly. Heritability does not describe an individual, it describes variation within a population, especially the proportion of phenotypic variation. So if heritability is 0.40, it means that 40% of the difference we observe among the plants are due to genetic differences, not that each individual plant is 40% genetic and 60% environmental. Now, misconception number 2. Low heritability means genes are unimportant. This is absolutely wrong. Even traits that are strongly controlled by genes can show low heritability if most individuals in the population are genetically similar. For example, if we consider the branching in modern maize that has low genetic variation because most of the modern maize varieties already have a single stem. Misconception number 3. Low heritability means genetic differences are small. Not always. Low heritability can also happen because environmental effects are very large or we do some mistakes in phenotyping or measurement. In some simple words, poor quality data or changing environmental condition can hide genetic effects. Now, misconception number 4. Heritability is fixed forever. Absolutely wrong. It is not fixed value. However, it is context-based value. For example, if we measure the heritability of human height in different population or the environments, the estimate may change. So it needs to be measured time to time, and the heritability of height of one race might not be applicable to the another race. Misconception number 5. High heritability means there must be one major gene that governs the trait. Not necessarily. A trait controlled by many genes like crop yield can still show very high heritability if the experiment is well managed. At the same time, a trait controlled by a major gene can show low heritability if there is very little variation in the population. So remember, heritability is about variation within populations, not destiny of individuals. Understanding this concept correctly is essential in genetics, plant breeding, and crop science. Follow for more agriculture, genetics, and crop science concepts explained in a simple way.